Hello mga ka-fix. Today, magde-demonstrate lang ako kung paano gumamit ng battery analyzer. Okay? So, yung ating battery analyzer po is available sa ating Perfecto Garage. And then, yung purpose po nito is para makapag-recommend po ako sa aking mga customer ng tamang recommendations regarding sa battery health. Okay? Whether yung battery natin is still usable or in good health condition or needs to be recharged or needs to be replaced. Mga ka-fix, nandito na nga yung ating battery analyzer. So itong battery analyzer na to is also available nga sa ating Perfecto Garage. Paano to ikabit? Napaka-basic lang. Kabit yung positive clamp sa positive and then negative clamp sa negative ng battery. And then after that, makikita nyo na po ito. Using battery analyzer, mayroon tayong two options, either battery test. Yung meaning po ng battery test ay individual battery only. Kasunod na test is system test. Ito po ay buong system if it is 24 volts. Kasama na po yan yung operation ng ating alternator. So for now, dito lang muna tayo sa battery test. So currently, mayroon tayong 11.98 volts. And then sa battery type, mayroon tayong madaming choices dito. First is regular liquid, next is gel type, next is spiral type, next is flat type, and bumalik na nga tayo dito sa regular liquid. Okay, so yung ibang battery analyzer hindi regular liquid, yung nakasulat naman ay regular flooded. Meaning po ng regular flooded ay gumagamit tayo ng electrolytes. Okay, and then press enter, and then mayroon tayo ditong select ratings. Mayroon tayong madaming options dito, GIS, CCA, SAE, EN, and IEC, and DIN. Ito po sila ay mga acronyms lang. Gagamitin natin ngayon is GIS. Press enter, and then mayroon tayo ditong size ng battery. Meron tayong 85D23, and then re-refer tayo ngayon dito sa ating battery. So yung ating battery is 90D23L. And balik tayo dito sa ating battery analyzer. Meron tayong 85D23, at saka pag i-next natin yan, kasunod niyan is mas mataas na rating na battery, which is hindi na siya akma doon sa battery rating natin na ginagamit ngayon. So babalik lang tayo sa 85D23. So ito po, pwede po tayo ditong mag change kung wala sa option ng battery analyzer, either 85D23 or 90 or 95D23. It varies po, depende sa battery analyzer. So testing, so normal and recharge. So yung remaining volts natin is 11.98 volts, and cold cranking amperes remaining is 549. So this is the health of the battery. Okay, and this is for the CCA, and this is the internal resistance of the battery, 5.64 milliohms. Kapag ito po ay tumaas ng 10-20, ibig sabihin po, yung ating battery is dead na po. So yung pinakamaganda talaga dito is 4 or 4 below milliohms. Okay? I repeat, 4 below milliohms. After that, mayroon tayong options na mag-print, which is yung battery analyzer din natin na available sa Perfecto Garage is kaya din magkapag-print. Okay, and here it is. Mayroon na tayong printed result ng battery test. Okay, by this, mayroon tayong tamang tools na ginagamit, so magiging accurate din yung recommendations natin sa ating mga customers. So that's it for now, and see you in the next videos.